welcome to the freshman dorms, or the Netherlands. Over this way is the north, and over that way is the south. So basically, what's in the middle of the core, or what we call the core, is like this diner-esque area where we have the campus. So they just changed out the old restaurants for new ones, which I sadly missed, but this is what the Netherlands does. Alrighty guys, so now I'm gonna show you where I spend the majority of my time, and that's my dorm. So I live in a 4-person suite, and we have our own little common room, which is right behind me. We have many a Marvel and Harry Potter posters. We have our own refrigerator and microwave. We have a TV with some of our old Christmas lights on it, and we still have some of our Christmas lights hanging because why not? But the best part about a 4-person suite is that we get our own bathroom, which is really awesome. And we have this huge mirror right over there, hey guys, where we don't really have to share with anybody else, but like just 4 people, which is awesome because, you know, communal bathrooms can be disgusting. But the best part about this is, in my opinion, that I get to clean this myself. So I know that it's getting clean 24/7, so there's that. We have a bunch of snacks right over here, right underneath our TV, because we like TV. Oh yeah, and then here's my roommates. And then my roommate has her own little shelving system, and we got a fish. His name is Tony. Yeah. And then here's mine. My desk is mainly my makeup table, where I just put like all my memorabilia and whatnot, and we get to decorate our rooms kind of however we want to. So I decided to put a bunch of pictures and a nice little calendar here, and welcome Campus Real, hey guys. And paintings, and we decided to make it a little bit more homey this semester by adding a rug and these awesome lights and just twinkle lights. So she did the same. She decorated her own. Yeah. And that's it. My roommate and I actually were together last year, and we decided to go back in on a room together this year because we became really close friends. I highly suggest going random. I know that that's really, really odd thing to say, but I went random with her, and she's now my best friend. And this is also the setup of another room. It's really spacious in here, guys. It's so cool. We also offer singles and we offer doubles, but a lot of times they don't have a bathroom element, which is the best part. So